Unit 7, Exercise 2. Directions. Listen to each short talk and answer the questions that follow. Questions 1 through 3 are based on the following talk.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure on your visit to the Louvre Museum, you want to see the museum's 3 great ladies, among whom is La Gioconda, widely known as Mona Lisa. It was painted by the Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci. It is not known how the painting came to be in François I's collection. Now, in front of you, I present the most famous painting in the history of art, the Mona Lisa. This portrait was doubtlessly painted in Florence between 1503 and 1506. It is thought to be the likeness of Lisa Gherardini, the wife of a Florentine cloth merchant named Francesco Giocondo. Therefore, it is alternatively titled La Gioconda. However, the model's identity is still shrouded in mystery. The painting has given rise to the oddest suggestions, even going as far as to say that she is a man or Da Vinci's self-portrait. Now, let me explain how Da Vinci's magical technique gives the painting its outstanding qualities. First of all,
Number 1. Who is probably giving this talk? Number 2. Where does the talk probably take place? Number 3. What is still arguable about the Mona Lisa? Questions 4 through 6 are based on the following talk.
Class, today we are going to talk about forensic anthropology, the application of physical anthropology to the legal process, meaning that it is used to analyze cases in a legal context to assist in crime detection. Forensic anthropology applies standard scientific techniques developed in physical anthropology to identify human remains. When human remains are found, badly decomposed, burned, or skeletonized, forensic anthropology can tell whether they are victims of mass disasters, wars, homicides, suicides, or fatal accidents. An early use of forensic anthropology was the Bertillon system. It helped the police keep files on criminals. The police would take measurements and characteristics of the convict's fingers, arm length, breadth, height sitting, and height standing. The Bertillon measurements were kept on file so that if the criminal was ever caught again, the police could tell. The method was useful until 2 identical twins were arrested and had the same measurements. Then the police had to stop using it. Other systems were then used to replace the Bertillon system, for example, fingerprinting. We'll talk about that in the next session. Now, about the techniques.
Number 4. Who is probably giving this talk? Number 5. When will the use of forensic anthropology techniques probably be beneficial? Number 6. What will the class discuss in the next meeting? Questions 7 through 10 are based on the following talk.
welcome mountaineers to the National Mountaineering Center, Reged, Penrith, Cumbria. I'm Michelle Ryder. We are here for a big event of the Alpine Club, a symposium on east of the Himalayas. It's been the tradition of the club to have an annual symposium to encourage exploration and climbing. Therefore, following last year's highly successful event, this symposium will focus on southeast Tibet and the Chinese regions of Yunnan and Sichuan. You'll be meeting acknowledged experts on the subject, including top mountaineers and adventurers from all over the world. We hope that all the things we do here are informative, inspiring, and particularly useful for anyone planning an expedition or looking for new places to visit. The committee is also hosting an annual dinner this evening following the symposium. We can exchange news, views, and information then. Best of all, since we're in a climbing area, we will climb together on Sunday to make for an enjoyable weekend. Now, let's welcome an expert and adventurer from Japan, Mr.
Number 7. When does the talk probably take place? Number 8. Who are probably the audience of the talk? Number 9. What is the focus of this event? Number 10. What activity will follow the meeting?